Hey guys, you remember last week's video? The one I talk about this camera here, the Polaroid 2000? Well, today I'm going out in the street and I'm going to be shooting some SX70 film by Polaroid. So, stay tuned for that. Well, apparently I had some issues trying to put this film in the camera. Don't ask me why, okay? Don't ask me why. So, enough of that. Let's go out and shoot some film. Today was one of those days where you plan everything and you're like, yes, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna shoot that, I got my film ready, I'm ready to go. But then I realized something. As I was shooting the film, that the images that were coming out of my Polaroid camera were terrible. And so this is what I got. These are the images I got from my camera. I know people laughing, oh, you terrible. But I guess I am, right? But I'm not. It's just we make mistakes. And I'm very sad because I spent pretty good money on these Polaroids. And I'm trying to figure out, what did I do wrong? Was it the exposure? Was it the lighting? Maybe the weather today? Maybe there's something wrong with the camera. I don't know. So I have two options I had in my mind. Just junk these or junk these, basically. But then I realized I saw some markers on the table and I had some art supplies laying around, and it got me thinking, and the wheel started turning, that perhaps I can turn these crappy Polaroid films into pieces of art. And so today we're going to take a detour on this video and we're going to create some artwork out of these Polaroids. Let's change perspective, shall we? You're never going to be perfect in life. You might make mistakes. Things could go wrong. But if you take these challenges and try to overcome them with perseverance and creativity, those mistakes can be a winning opportunity for you to create something great. So on that note, thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.